So good morning, I'm Shane and welcome to the channel, and good morning from a very sunny Tipperary town here in County Tipperary. We're actually at Tipperary Town Plaza just outside the town. And we're heading today to Shannon in County Clare, and we're going to stay at a hotel called Treacy's Oakwood Hotel, and we're going to see if there's any value to be had in staying in Irish hotels. As we all know, the prices can be really high nowadays. So we got a really good deal on a couple of nights at this hotel. So let's go and have a look around the hotel and see if it was worth the money. We'll go through all the rates and things in a little while. But for now, come with us. Let's get checked into the hotel and let's see what this hotel has to offer us. Okay, so we've just arrived at the hotel. First impressions, very nice. Nice building. Actually seems quite new, like it might have been renovated or something. But, let's go and get checked in and see what we can see what the inside's like. So good news, we actually arrived around 2 hours before check-in time, and we were really cheeky and just asked if we could check in, and such friendly, helpful staff. We got our key card for the room, everything's ready, so we'll just come back outside now to the car to get our bags and things before we head up to the room, and let's go and see what this has in store for us in the room. First impressions of the hotel, absolutely beautiful inside, so I have high hopes for this bedroom, but we'll see. This place is really big. I have to try and find the elevator to go up to the room. We made it to the room. Wow, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful room. So nice and clean. We have a double bed and a single bed. It's not exactly the biggest hotel room we've ever stayed in, but it has a feel of kind of luxury from it. Doesn't feel like corporate and cheap. Wow. Look at this wardrobe. Nice chair. Desk, TV. Oh, look at this. Leather chair at the desk. Some complimentary water. And now the all important view. Let's see what we've got. Just to the back of the hotel. A bit more of a car park. Okay, now let's have a look in the bathroom. Very important that you have a nice clean bathroom. So, sink, toilet, glasses, hand soap. Is this kind of a 3/4 bath? And a shower. With all the complimentary stuff. So again, not exactly the biggest bathroom that I've ever had in a hotel, but really, really clean, really, really nice. Definitely high marks for this one. One more thing that I forgot to notice. In the lovely wardrobe we have, this is where our tea and coffee facilities are. And we have a fan and hangers and an iron and our towels obviously and an ironing board. Pretty unique place to hide the tea making facilities. Okay, let's test the Wi-Fi speeds. Okay. So that's pretty good for a hotel, right? So I'm very impressed so far. You can see why this has such a high rating. On booking.com I think it's 8.5 and TripAdvisor it's 4.5, so really, really good ratings and it's easy to see why.
My personal favourite would be fish
So it's morning number 2 for us here in the hotel, and we've just got back from breakfast, had showers and stuff, and now we're getting ready to check out. Now, the reason that we've carried on this video on day number 2 is because yesterday we actually went to the Cliffs of Moher for the day to have a look around there, so make sure to check out that video. I'll put a link on the screen for that one, and you can have a look at what we got up to over there. So I just want to run through some of the numbers that I kind of promised you earlier in the video. So we paid €238. That was for 2 nights, bed and breakfast, and a 2-course evening meal. The food in the hotel was absolutely fabulous. Really, really good breakfast and the dinners. The bar areas are beautifully presented. Staff are really friendly. All the public areas are really, really beautiful in this hotel. I think we got really good value for money. Really, really good value. And it kind of answers the question that if you look around, there is still value to be had for hotels in Ireland. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video, this little look around Shannon and the Treacy's Oakwood Hotel. Please remember to give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and maybe you might consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.